Introduction. Hey, connect to world pals. Today, let's explore the term haɪr. It's not just about employment. There's more to this word. Let's delve into the dynamics of bringing talent on board. Meaning. So, to hire means to employ or engage the services of someone for a job or task. It's a fundamental step in building a team or workforce, involving the selection and appointment of individuals based on their skills and qualifications. Usage. Imagine a company looking to hire new talent to expand its capabilities, or a freelancer being hired for a specific project. Examples. Think of the excitement of being hired for a dream job, or the responsibility that comes with hiring the right people to foster organizational growth. Pronunciation. And when you say it, it's haɪr, a term that echoes with the dynamics of workforce building, right? Different uses. Ever heard of headhunting and hiring? It's a recruitment strategy where specialized recruiters seek out top-tier candidates for executive positions. Conclusion. If the concept of haɪr resonates with your professional journey, consider hitting the like button and subscribing for more insightful word journeys. Stay connected, and until our next exploration, take care.